Hello everybody, I'd like to introduce a kind of salt spray test machine. This machine is for test the metal product surface treatment. It can test how long time it can work corrosion resistance. This machine is 270 liters with touch screen. This is automatic water inlet. This is make the machine automatically get the water in. It can be 24-hour water in. This is an air compress in to make the compressed air into the machine, give the power. This is pour out of the machine. The tube should be go from here out of the door. This is automatic pure water in. It can give the 24-hour water in the machine. This is a manual control valve. Is a function safe to make the pure water in, give the whole system the water. This is the air pump 8mm. We get the one terminal from the air press, another terminal to here. We would like to very slowly into it. Then we will adjust this switch to turn to 2 kg to here, 2 kg. When we adjust it fixed, push. This blue tube is a foam X-out tube. It makes the foam out of the machine and go out of the door. This is very important. Otherwise, the salt fault will make trouble for the machine. So when we fix here, the fork go into here. This should be lower than this, and then this go to the hole out of the door. This should be low and flat. Every month we have to maintain the machine. So usually we have to make the dirty water out of the machine. This is the leverage outlet to make the dirty water out of the tank. So first we open the valve and then take the plug off. The water will go out. Finish, close it, put the plug. This is the power of the machine. When we shut off, these three lamps is for the testing the water. This is for the machine container. This is for the salt water container. This is for the press tank. When they open, they will automatically check the three lamps. If one of them lights, we have to open to check. For this, open to check. For this, check here. Now this is the English manual. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we explain the first monitor and the constant, and also the damaged. When we touch the screen, we can see two temperatures. This temperature in the green, this is for the salt testing tank. Now this temperature is 31. We set up 35. This blue temperature is for the press tank. Now temperature is 43. We set up 47. This is the time, and this is for the fork out damaged. This is for continuous spray. This is the manual stop control. This is start. When we push this, we can find this is off. They stop the working. This is start the working. Continue the fall. This is circle 1. We can set up the time. We can set up in the circle 2, or we come back. This is the manual stop, or we set up time temperature. The first is 24 hour. Time 2 is 48 hour stop. Time 3 is 72 time stop. Time 4 is 96 time later stop. This is manual stop. When we push the manual stop, when we push it, it will stop. Otherwise, we just put, for example, 24 hour. They will stop it 24 hours later. Or we can set up time clear. For example, we need it 10 hours later stop. Okay, push enter. It will work. This is also the control the damage. So when we set up, it's all okay. We push the start. We can see there are no yes and there is. This is for continue. If we stop it when we are testing, it will continue. This is start the new testing. Usually when we get the first start testing, we should put this yes. Okay, now we can see just become green, it's starting spring. When we going to check what is the situation of the samples in the test machine, we should push this, remain, then we open the tank. After we check it, close the tank, we wait usually 4 minutes, and then push again, it starts. When we're going to stop the machine, we push this, stop. Are you yes or no? Yes. If we want to change some setting, we can push this. This is circle 1 and circle 2. We can see from here. Circle 1, circle 2. Circle 1. From here, we can check circle 1. For example, we spray 10 hours and stop 14 hours. Push this is 10 hours. We want to change it to be 24 hours. Okay, but we want to terminal like 2 hours, for example. Push 2 this hour. But we want 2 hours and 30 minutes. We just push the minutes. This minutes 30. Right? Okay. This is a push screen for the constant. It's for set up the temperature. You can see there are this temperature and this temperature. Temp 1 is a machine test container temperature. Usually we set up 35. Push it, we can change. For example, 36. But usually we put 35. This is for the press tank temperature. We usually put 47. This is the time. Time 1, time 2, time 3, time 4. This is same as this here. Time. Time 1, time 2, time 3, time 4. Manual stop. This can also control by here. Time 1, 10 hours. For example, we change it to be 16 hours. It's go. 16 hours. You can also change it back 24 hours. This is the wrong setting. When we push it, we can find this is Chinese, this is English. When we set up English, the machine start, it will automatically in the English. This is the power 4 model. Usually we only choose a warm start. And the operation model, we only set up constant. So we just introduce this monitor and a constant, run the set and damn it. The other 4 buttons is really not so important. Reservation is for what time you want start, what time you want stop. Program is a little complicated. Usually we set up the program, so customer no need to set up it by themselves. This is for the history. We can have the record of what happened. It's just for reference. This is the alarm. Because this machine will have special alarm lamp. So here is no need to set up here. So don't touch it.